You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. This pattern is suitable only for stretchy fabrics. Cut 2 identical details for front and back of the dress. Don't forget folding line while cutting. Connect front and back details. Sew together side seams. Use overlock or zigzag stitch. Here I'm making straps. Finish the top of the dress. I use flat seamer. You can also use zigzag stitch. Measure the bottom of the dress length from the floor. Bottom may stretch unevenly. Mark cutting line with the pins. Lock or fold the bottom of the dress. Good luck!